guys, welcome back to my channel. I know today is Wednesday, which is typically a storytelling day where we do a chore together, and let me just tell you, I have a really fun prom themed story for you that I was planning on doing today. I also have a huge pile of laundry that I need to crack into, but I try to be as authentic on this channel as possible. I'm trying not to put out content just to put out content, and so I thought it would be more appropriate and more authentic and necessary for me to just sit down and chat for one moment here and give you a little update on what is happening on Monday. Okay, let me start by saying maybe this isn't as big of a deal as I'm presenting it to be. I don't mean to be clickbaity, I don't mean to be dramatic, but you guys know I'm a sensitive lady and I really take my job here seriously. I've made mistakes in the past and all I want to do is just be the best version of me, not just only for me and my family and friends and like real life, but for you guys as well. It's important to me, and I really sorry, Courtney's like moving around. Oh my gosh, she's so cute. You guys are like literally propped up on a can of LaCroix. Anyways, I really try my best to take care of you guys as well. It's important to me that everyone feels like cared for and heard, and all right, now I'm like rambling. Anyways, so sorry if this feels very dramatic, but to me it's important. So on Monday I did a vlog where I unboxed a bunch of PR packages, which is really fun. If you missed it, please go check it out. And as I was like unboxing, I was like, you know what? I'm gonna do a giveaway, because the only reason why I am gifted all these wonderful things, sorry, Courtney is rolling again, hold on. The only reason why I'm gifted all these wonderful things is honestly because you guys continue to support me, watch me, comment, you help me sustain in this business, and that does not go unseen or unappreciated. Unappreciated. Anyways, this is all to say, I was like, I'm doing a giveaway. I hadn't planned it out, it just kind of happened. And so I did my best to, I like researched to make sure that I was doing everything correctly, like rules and regulations, that I was by the book with YouTube. Like I know with contests and giveaways, there's a lot of like sort of legalities to it. So I really wanted to make sure that I did it correctly, more so that you guys felt like you got all the right information in terms of how to enter, and so that you felt like it was fair, just, and right. Okay, listen, great. I think we all accomplished that together. I think I stated it. If you look in the description, blah, blah, blah. So I was like, yes, this is so fun. These people deserve a gift. Like, I don't need all this stuff. Great. So then today I wake up to all these messages saying that there's a scammer, or at least people think that there's a scammer going around. Basically, like the whole idea was like, you guys will comment, and in a week from Monday, I will pick a winner, actually pick two winners, and they will contact you via the comments or in your YouTube messages to make sure that you can get your prize. And so a scammer went along, they took my icon, my picture, they had like a dumb name, so it wasn't like the best scam, but still, like, you know, everyone is vulnerable in these positions and everyone wants to win. So they're going around commenting on everyone's comment, being like, hey, send me your phone number and pay for shipping and I'll get you your prize, pretending to be me, which one is so scary because they're soliciting phone numbers. We don't know who this person is. Two, they're asking for money. And now, again, this is like going on all over right now. I don't know if about you guys, but I get like scam calls all the time asking for money. My grandma used to get them all the time, and we felt so bad because as you get older and your brain starts going, it's like, it's so confusing, and like, or like email. Sorry, I'm going on a tangent. Whatever, there's so many scams out there. This is all to say, like, that was a scammer, and I got so many DMs asking me, one, if it was a scammer, or two, a lot of people actually thought they had won, and it like broke my heart. I never want to hurt anyone's feelings. I never want to let anyone down, and I know this was out of my control, but one, I want to let you know that that was a scammer, and I will make sure to verify 1,000% that it is me, and that you are who you are if you are the winner. So please just stay tuned for that. And secondly, I just wanted to express sort of my like general like anger and like I know, it's just somebody being an ass trying to like wheel and deal and make a few bucks, and I know it's a tough time for everyone, but like, damn, man, the internet is so hard to navigate sometimes, and there's so much going on, and the world is such like a volatile place right now, and I was just trying to like give a little and continue to try to like build this like sweet little community, and I was just like kind of disheartened to see that today. So I apologize on behalf of the scammer, and I apologize if I didn't approach this thing correctly. I really did try. I also apologize for being hyperbolic, or not hyperbolic, but like seemingly dramatic right now. It's just been like tough couple of weeks, generally speaking, in the world, and you know, I think the stress has just gotten to me in terms of you know, trying to keep my business afloat, if I'm being fully transparent, and this was just such a bummer to me. This is just such a bummer, and mostly I hate that I inadvertently got people's hopes up, because I know all of us could use a little gift now and then, and I'm sorry about that. So just be aware of that. Thank you for everyone that reached out and gave me the information. Also everyone that like, I guess, sorry, the sun came in so hot all of a sudden. Everyone who sort of like claimed that person or flagged that person, I appreciate it, and I will do my best to keep an eye on that. But like, some of you are just the best. Like, you guys are just moderators without being asked to be moderators, and like, I can't thank you enough for that. So thank you. And also, like, I just want you guys to know that I really do try to vet every brand and every company that comes through. I'm not 100% perfect at it, and I've gotten a little bit of information, again, in the nicest way, from you guys in DMs about either the quality of a product that they purchased through a brand deal that I did wasn't up to par, or I recently found out like one of the brands that I was working with was in a little bit of like PR trouble because they were using pictures that weren't theirs. That stuff is like so disheartening to me, and I don't take it lightly, and I definitely like am vocal to the brand. But I just want to let you know, one, I appreciate you guys understanding and being kind when presenting this information to me, but also I want you to know that I don't take that lightly, and I'm trying to navigate the best that I can, and I'm trying to properly research and do due diligence when and if I take on a brand deal. So thank you for understanding and for your patience with that. So yeah, I don't know why I just feel so like, I just feel like a little bit exhausted, and I have a feeling a lot of you are just feeling that, like, generally speaking, in the world and in life. It's a tough time, guys. Even just like today, I went to the grocery store, and like, dude, like, inflation is so insane right now. Like, even though like the sweet lady behind the counter, oh, I'm sorry, I'm so emotional today. The sweet lady behind the counter was just like, this really hurts me that you had to spend all this money, and I'm only filling up like 2 bags of groceries. Like, this is heavy for me. And it wasn't about me. She was obviously like stating this just about like the state of the world and how expensive things are and what life is looking like right now. But I just want you to know, like, I'm there. I feel you, I see you, I hear you, and I'm trying my best to add a little sunshine into a difficult time. So I guess that's why I'm emotional, because I felt like I let you guys down. I don't think it was my fault, but I do feel bad that there was a scam associated with a silly giveaway that I was just trying to bring a little joy from. So I'm not asking for sympathy. I'm not asking for anything, sorry, other than just like, I just wanted to, sorry, the light is like so bad all of a sudden. Oh no, now you can't see my face. I just wanted you guys to know that I love and appreciate you, and I really take my position as an influencer to heart. And you know, someone like left a comment, and it came from a really good place about me just being like overly sensitive and worried about what everyone else thinks, but like, have you been on the internet? That's what we're conditioned for, and I'm trying to be a little bit stronger, and I'm trying to be a little bit more confident in terms of like who I am and what I'm bringing to the table, but you know, I'm checking myself and I'm making sure I'm doing the best version of that. So that's why I'm overly sensitive, and that's why I care so much about what you guys think, because I really don't take my position lightly. So I apologize for the scam. Stay tuned. I will, you know what? I'm gonna switch out how the winner will be announced. I will say it on camera and I will have you guys contact me directly. So we will do it that way. So please, if you are on that video, and also it's still open, so you still have until next Monday to enter. So please, by all means, continue entering, but don't let anyone pose as me, or don't give anyone information. Just generally speaking, you should not be giving people information. Unfortunately, there's a lot of people out there that are just out for the scam. So, on a positive note, I'm just looking, and it appears we have a new leaf a-growing, a new friend coming in. So there's a little sunshine at the end of this rainbow. No. I was trying to find a metaphor and I couldn't find it. I'm just tired. But I wanted to really pop in and just say this all out loud. I hope this isn't too dramatic. See, now I'm editing myself. I'm just going to put this up and let you guys know, again, I really so appreciate you. And tomorrow we have a new try-on haul that is just absolutely ridiculous. It's up for no other reason than it was just super fun. And if you're looking for something fun and silly to watch, and maybe fun and silly to wear, then I think you will appreciate that. And yeah. That's it, folks. That's all, folks. That's what I got for you today. Yeah, I love y'all. And next week, stay tuned for this prom story and pictures. I'm going to find some pictures. All right, bye.